Hello students, I am here with a very important question for your GTU exam of concrete technology, that is explain the effect of size, shape, texture and grading of aggregate on workability of concrete. So we will discuss the factors affecting workability based on aggregate, that is size, shape, texture and grading of aggregate. So first of all, let's discuss about size of aggregate. As the larger size of aggregate is available, the lesser is the surface area. Hence less amount of water is required for wetting the surface and less amount of paste is required to lubricate the surface. Hence larger aggregate gives the higher workability. On the other hand, if we talk about small aggregates, the surface area of the small aggregate is more and the large amount of water is required for wetting the surface and large amount of cement paste is required to lubricate the surface. Hence it gives lesser workability. Okay, now next is shape of aggregate. As we know that angular aggregates are interlock more, which can lead to the higher strength but reduced workability due to increased friction and resistance to flow. On the other hand, if we talk about rounded aggregate, it gives smooth, and round aggregates tend to promote better workability as they can roll and slide past each other more easily, reducing internal friction. Okay. Now next is texture. Rough texture aggregate with a rough create more friction, which can negatively affect workability by making it harder for the concrete to flow. And if we talk about smooth texture aggregate, it gives the larger workability as it gives a smoother appearance. Okay. Now let's talk about grading of aggregate. First, well graded aggregate, a good mix of different size aggregate. Well graded aggregate means every size of aggregates are there. Smaller size of aggregate will fill the voids of coarse aggregate. So it helps to fill the voids efficiently, reducing the amount of cement paste needed and enhancing workability. This balanced gradation supports better cohesion and flow. Now, if we talk about poorly graded aggregate, if the aggregates are poorly graded, that is too much of one size, okay, it can lead to more voids requiring more water or cement paste to achieve the desired workability, which can affect the overall strength and durability of the concrete. I hope you all will betterly understand all the content of today. Thank you.